Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new 2022 Healy Pneumatic Forklift, model number CPQYD25-KU1H. This forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds, and it runs on dual fuel. In this case, that's gasoline and LP, and you'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics. While I'm on this side, I'll show you that it has that handy cup holder as well. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches. And it has your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Now these tires are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Coming up here to the front, we have lots of lights, including these combination lights here on the front that have your work light as well as your turn signals. And we also have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside of the cab, we have lots more features, including this fully adjustable steering column as well as that steering wheel knob. We have a convex rear view mirror. On that back pillar, we have a rear pillar handle with a horn, which is a great safety feature for your operator and for pedestrians in the area. And we have this fully adjustable full suspension seat that adjusts both forwards and backwards, and with the incline and with the suspension. And it has that high visibility seatbelt. Now back on the back, we have even more lights, starting with those combination lights up on top that show you the brake lights, as well as your turn signals and your backup, and you'll hear the alarm. And up on top, you see that yellow strobe that is a magnetic strobe that can be moved. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.